So I caught a little break in the rain. It's still raining, but just not as heavy as before. And so here I am going down Malacca Road from Carnes, one stop in Middleton and or Middletown, and then now I go down. Now I go down. See how it misty up here? Precipitation. And then remember this when me as a kid. Now the thing to do is take off my shoes and walking out with my barefoot, and my granny cuss me and say, "Put on your shoes, boy, you're gonna get grunnish." So, yeah, there I am, making my way home in the little drizzle. Well, it's a bit of a squall maybe, but it's alright. See, I'm not getting too wet. Alright, later. Whew. Look how fast it's running. Me? And then now, a river runs through it. You can't see it, but down there. Oh wow, it curves. See, this place is built to do what it does. But this is all good because rainforest, you know, partly this is what feeds the reservoir down in Kingston. So wherever I place the Mona Dam or wherever, or Mona Reservoir is where this go. And this rain is all good for all kinds of reasons.
Yeah, man, Dean.
Found my way, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, God. All right.
Yeah, man.
So now I'm close to home. I'm almost there. Stacey, if you ever lock up